Hello everyone, welcome back to Triad Travelogues. I am Richard, coming at you today from the outskirts of Shanghai, China, and I am on my way right now to meet up with my friend and fellow expat, Steven, and we're gonna pick us up some Chinese hookers. Just kidding, we're not really gonna do that. But we are gonna go and we're gonna visit a whorehouse that's a couple of blocks down the street from where I live. Now this is not your normal average everyday Chinese whorehouse. No, this place has been abandoned for 2 years. You see, a couple of years ago, the Shanghai police did a sting. They came through and they busted, literally, like with sledgehammers, they busted up all the brothels that were up and down the street. They used to be everywhere. There were brothels all over the place. So these brothels are just sitting around and they're waiting for you to go and explore. If you have the heart, and if you have the stomach, and if you have the time, and God only knows I have plenty of that. So let's go explore us an abandoned Chinese whorehouse. So I'm supposed to meet Steven outside like my apartment building, and he just sent me a message and he's saying that his stomach is messed up. He thinks he ate something bad. So I asked him if he was too sick to come out, and he's like, no, I'm good. I'm just gonna suck it up. I'm gonna come out. We're gonna do this. But I don't think he understands the severity of what we're about to deal with. We're about to go into this building that's been closed up for a really long time. This like stinky building where the act of intercourse in probably every conceivable way has taken place repeatedly, probably many thousands and thousands of times. And probably some of the people have been of questionable hygiene. There's condoms everywhere, used condoms. There's like trash cans full of pubic hair. So it's not exactly the best place to go if you're feeling sick to your stomach. Listen to this, listen to this.
Just spend the last 15 minutes on the toilet. I'm good though, just had to get it out.
What's up? Hey, you feeling all right? You feel okay?
No, I'm good.
You're good?
Just had shit.
Okay.
Like 20 minutes.
Let's go. The great thing about being in China and doing urban exploration is that nobody cares. If they see you breaking into a building, they just don't care. People mind their own business. It's not exactly hidden. Look at this. This is it. You just jump. Just jump it. This is the back of an abandoned Chinese whorehouse. We can enter in through this door right here. I have a rule, I never break into anything ever. Yeah. If it's locked, I just leave it alone. But this one was just like pulled off. So I figured, well, I'll just open it and see what's there. And I found this. I always look for treasure in a place like this because I feel like this would be a good place to hide treasure, right? Like if I had a big box of money and I needed to hide it, I would hide it in a place like this because nobody's ever here. This place is like the area that you come if you just want tea, right? Because look, it is a tea house. See, yeah. That tea here, and it's not very. I wouldn't drink tea here. Yeah. But then you come in here. This is like the secret door. I think the secret door. This is the point of no return. Look, and you'll see way more of these, man. Yeah, boxes of condoms, and they're everywhere, dude. They're like everywhere. What is it, aloe vera?
Right here.
Aloe vera doesn't do it for me, man. I can't do aloe vera.
I go dry rub, baby.
Really? Dude, you're a savage. More condoms. There's like, oh, there's some computer stuff, more condoms. There's so many condoms in this place. At least they're using protection. The inspection guy is not very happy. Yeah. But he's not sad. He's just like not impressed. Mediocre. He's like, let's go in here. So this is, I guess, this lockers. This one's 69. Whoa. Look at this. The robes. What do you guys think? Do I look good? I look good, right? Do you think I look good?
Sexy.
Sexy? Look at me. Come on. This is so, now we know when you come into the brothel, you put all your personal belongings in the little shelf things, and you put one of these on, these stylish things on. Sauna. So here's where the baths are. The baths. There's our first naked girl. I actually have a pretty significant fear of large bodies of water. I don't know why, but this kind of thing freaks me out.
Yeah.
You know? I'm gonna get in there though. I want to feel what people felt when this place was still alive and active. I just feel kind of disgusting though. Is it pubic hair though? That's not pubic hair. That's just regular hair, right?
Oh, God. Oh, fuck.
Look, someone was literally shitting bricks. That was funny, right? Come on. That was a funny joke. Yeah, this is where the magic happens. This is where the serious XXX action went down, I think. A good rule of thumb is to not fall through the floor. If you feel any soft spots, you probably don't want to go there. Here's some clothes, man. There's lots and lots of clothes in here. And so many condoms. Look, just boxes and boxes of condoms. I'm sure they're all expired and probably off-brand, like...
And too small.
Ooh. It's a knife.
It's pretty nice.
Oh, look. These are tiny little condoms. Look at how small they are.
Yeah.
More condoms. Oh, so many condoms. I like the picture on this, just in case you didn't know what the condom was for. Dude, are Chinese penises shaped like this? Like, what is that?
They have like little brick Lego penises.
Some yummy pepperoncinis. You said yesterday you liked pepperoncinis. Yep. There's some pepperoncinis, dude.
It's the real deal.
I have no idea what that is. Judging by the keys that were downstairs and that woman's identification, I think they just took them to jail.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think they had any time to go through anything. I think all the damage that's been done here was done by the police, probably.
Right.
Is that a vibrator? No, it's a hair curler. See, my mind's in the gutter, man. And look at outside. Look at this. After you're done, you come out to the window, smoke a cigarette, and look out at the beautiful scenery. This is the kind of stuff that will get you killed exploring. You step on the wood breaks, you fall through, you break your neck. Nobody knows that you're in that abandoned building because you didn't want to be a weirdo and tell them you were going to go and explore an abandoned whorehouse. So you just suffer with broken bones and starve to death or bleed to death. Don't let that happen to you. Is that a dildo? Oh no, it's just a coffee mug. Dude, I guarantee you, if you came in here and like took all the stuff from in here, like all the clothes and stuff, you could sell it to some perverts on the internet. We go all the way to the back here. Let's see what we got in the back. Ugh. Oh, it gets worse as you go down. It gets worse as you go down. Man, I'm on fire today, for real. This looks like a cocaine party, but it's actually just drywall or stuff that fell from the ceiling. I'm definitely gonna take a shower when I get home. Ugh, this is gross.
Dude,
this is
fucking filthy.
The last place in the world that I want to die. Do you see this brochure? It seems like it's stuck in a hole in the bed, and I just want to see what's in the hole. Oh, it's a massage chair.
Yeah.
That is definitely not treasure. How's your stomach?
Oh, I'm fine.
You feel alright? Oh, that's so ominous. Maybe that's where the treasure is. You should check. You should go in there and see if there's any treasure in there. Oh, you have a flashlight?
I see something.
Is it treasure?
No, it's just
Is it a cockroach?
Ew, dude.
Ooh, this one is like a Catholic dormitory. Oh, this room is really just, I don't like this room at all. Can we go out here? Oh, yeah. How adventurous do you feel?
Pretty adventurous.
Okay. Let's go this way. I'm not sure if we can get out this way, but as you can see, it's kind of like an Indiana Jones thing, right?
What is that?
I don't know, but all this stuff is fallen, so it'd be like you gotta jump, get there.
Oh, dude, if that shit fell on you, you're fucked.
Oh, you die. I would go.
I mean, I'll do it.
Okay. All right.
I don't think that thing's gonna fall.
Well, you never think anything like that.
I have 2 arms.
Okay. Just don't disturb anything. Oh. How flexible I am. Oh yeah, you can come out this way. If I fall through. I did it. Now we're back to where we started. So for whatever reason, we've decided to escape the complex using this ladder. And Steven recently broke his, what, your collarbone?
Yep. Shattered would be the right word.
He shattered his collarbone. So we might see a significant injury. You okay?
Yep. Just trying not to use my right arm too much. Whew.
You got it?
Wow, he made it. Fuck. Well, I'm gonna put this down here so we can get back in.
Yeah. Save that.
Bada bing, bada boom.